Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru Forester automatic. First, ensure your key is in the ignition and turn to the on position. With your right foot, firmly press the brake pedal. Then, move the gear selector to D for drive. Release the parking brake, and you are ready to gently press the accelerator to begin moving forward. Remember to always check your surroundings before driving. Once you're moving, use the accelerator pedal to smoothly increase your speed. To slow down or stop, gently press the brake pedal. The steering wheel is your primary control for direction, so hold it with both hands for optimal control. Familiarize yourself with the turn signal stalk and windshield wiper controls, typically located on either side of the steering column. These are crucial for safe driving. Your Forester's automatic transmission offers different modes for various driving conditions. For example, L or B modes provide enhanced engine braking, which is helpful when going down steep hills. If your Forester has A Sport mode, engaging it will give you more responsive acceleration. Some models also feature paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, allowing you to manually select gears for greater control, especially on winding roads. When you're ready to park, bring the vehicle to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Shift the gear selector into P for park. Always engage the parking brake, even on flat ground, to prevent accidental rolling. Before you even start driving, remember to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and comfort. Always wear your seatbelt and ensure all passengers are buckled up for safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.